Hey, this is Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. This is the 2016 the Ram Promaster. Stock number is 7283. Now, if you're looking for a vehicle for your business, maybe to transport items, and maybe if you're an electrician, it doesn't matter what, you're going to love this van. A very high-in-demand van for businesses. I'm going to show you the interior and exterior conditions of this van. It's got ample shelving. I'm going to go to the rear in just a second, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. No dings, no scratches, no mishaps on the outside. This vehicle comes with a Carfax, of course. Oh, the door just shut on me right there, but that's okay. I'll just go right back in here and try this one more time. There you go. Got ample shelving, roll-out shelving, I must say. And we're going to make our way over to the driver's side. Exterior. Automatic transmission, of course. Interior is in impeccable condition. For this van or any other vans that you see online, let us know how we can assist you by calling us, emailing us, or texting us. Better yet, get ready to save. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. I might go take her for a drive right now. Take care.